the time the phone call make? Uno look on the time. Uno see the time the phone call make? 4:05 p.m. Tell me if you no look on, you no see the time. You no see the time, right? Look at who me call immediately after that. Immediately after that, look at who me call. Peter Gay. You see, after that phone call at 4:05, look who immediately me call after that. Who me call 4:12? Look who me call 4:12 the same day. Who me call 4:12? Now look who me call 4:12. See our number there. I don't care if our number them go out. You know see who me call immediately after that and the unanswered? You know see who me immediately call after that? Because when me recognize her voice, me call her immediately after that. Because me daddy I talk to Sassy and me I tell him say something is not right. A Peter Gay that. You know see how me say? Me call her immediately. See there? Me say her as Peter Gay job. You know see who me immediately call, right? After that. Because at that time I realize it's her voice, me immediately call her. She no answer. After that, see it here. After that, me add K. 429. Who me add? Me add Sweet and Sassy and K. You know see K this, right? Me not care for a number show. I don't give a fuck. See there. After that 429, the same time, me add K. You know see that? Me add K. See there. Sweet and Sassy and me add K. Because me I tell K what I saw. When me hear, me add K. Me call Paula, me say, me have to add K because this mix one like me the Lulu. Because me know when me hear. Me add K. See K there? Me add K. One next person up on the phone, which is Minnie. But our number not saving on my phone, so me no want to show it up. But one next person did up on the call, a Minnie. Me add K. After they hang up, me call back K. After they hang up, me call back K. See there? And me and K a talk. And me I say K? No. You see that? After they hang up, the same day, me call back K. Me and K a talk. Hold on the chat. And remember, you know, October 15. October 15 are when? October 15 are when, chat? Wednesday, right? Me not care about nobody number. I don't care. Anybody number one call? Yes. Okay. See, Wednesday, you know, the same Peter Gay. Me text her, but me never realized that she have a disappearing message. Me text her until I said me need to talk to her. And she text back and she say, see there, Peter Gay. See there, you know, see it? Peter Gay. You know, see the name, right? So me text her, me say me want to talk to her. I think Kay have the message I want me text her. Me never realized that she have a disappearing message, but she say, she text her back and she say, Lord have mercy, I want know. As soon as me free up, me call you. Me say, okay, please do. I don't care how late it is. This is urgent. Me text her back, me say, you're still busy? She texts back and she say, at work, I promise to call you. And I will as soon as me left off, me call him. Me say, okay. 10:25, she not call. Me say, then me get the one tick. You see the one tick? You see the one tick? Me say, what time you leaving work? She not answer. Whole night, this something not answer. Then me get, so me say, at this point, you're taking me for a fool. She blocked me. Yes, at this point, she blocked me now. All right. Now see that? The same Wednesday night, right? Wednesday, you see Wednesday. You see Mother DP, that is Mother. You see her DP, right? That is Mother DP. The same Wednesday, there was a group call. Cause me call Mother same time too, Me call Mother same time. You see time when the 417? Remember, You remember what time first me talk to her 405? You don't remember that? Come and chat and have to keep up with me. Keep up with me. No, remember say 405 me call her. Okay. See 417, me initiate a group call with Mother. You see it? Wednesday 417, me initiate a group call with Mother. Let me open the group call. See on the group call, you have K, you have Mother, you have Sweet Pea, and so we are try call her back on the group call. See her number there? You know, see the people in the on the group call. Cause her number that there at the bottom. So we are try to call her. We initiate, we call Mother. That is when I told Mother what I heard. Me play the voice note for Mother. Mother say no she. Mother say it's not she. Me say okay then, left it alone. Remember me not come on the internet with nothing yet, because me there behind the scenes. This not reach at the internet yet. This not reach at the internet yet. Okay. Thursday now, me ask Mother for text her. Me say, did you get her? Mother say, I texted her. Me say, did she respond? Mother said, I read the text. She said, no. I said to Mother, I text her and got only one tick. Seems like I'm blocked. Mother say, is one tick I see too. Me say, okay. This was the 29th, Wednesday. When me realized that she blocked me, me reach out to Mother. Mother say, I see something like a clock. Alright, when me I text Mother, me and Kay on the phone. Me go show you know. When I text Mother, me and Kay talk. She said, I see something like a clock beside her DP. Kay was the one tell me, say, the clock mean disappearing messages. Me say, okay. And me say, is there a picture on her DP? Mother said, no. Me say, okay, same for me. Mother said she never had any picture up. Me say, okay, cool. She turned to me and she said, I'll let you know if she reply. Me say, okay, please do. I say, thank you, whatever. She said, you're welcome. Yesterday morning now, guys, block them people eh. Before me company live, me call back Mother. And me say, Mother, and Mother say, I'm a she lawyer. That the voice they want to play, and a she. Me say, okay, me know what me know. And that is Peter Gay. And I need to know how Peter Gay is involved in this drama. That is it. Me call her. But I think she answer upon my iPad. She answer upon my iPad. So you know, see that? Yes. Me call Mother. See there. Before me company live yesterday morning. Me call her first and find out if she hear back from her or whatever. Me call Mother. Remember that text then at the 10:30 something. Wednesday. We go back. Because when I text Mother, I was talking to Kay. Because Kay tell me what the disappearing messages was. Me never know. What the clock mean are disappearing messages. Kay tell me say, that mean. Of course she guilty. I don't know why Mother, she's guilty. None of us know what Peter Gay look like really. We see parts of Peter Gay body. Nobody never see a full body of Peter Gay. None of us never really see a full body of Peter Gay. We see her belly. We never see a full body picture of Peter Gay. No face. We see her body with her belly where she show we in a video. Nobody has seen a full body picture of Peter Gay. We see her belly where she show and I explain. But if we say we see her face and see her whole body, no. We see her body. Nobody no know her full, like I say, her full features. Nobody, we see her belly. We talk to her on video call when she show we her belly and all of that. Cause when she depend the video chat, she show her belly. Cause that's how we are look on the scar them. And I don't know what she look like. Me can tell her say she's not dark skin, as they must say, and she's not light skin. Nobody no see Peter Gay full features. We see her belly. Exactly. Anybody we say no fear voice that? Okay, let me show you when me text the number. You know, me show you when me text the number. Before me come on the live. See it here. See the number, no remember our number, right? See the number there, 327-1918. See when me text her there? Me say, Peter Gay, I know it's you. I don't know if you can see. See the 11:50, Thursday morning. Me text her. Me say, Peter Gay, I know it's you. You are the one claiming to be Jake's lawyer. He come back, he say, thank you for contacting New Things and More, blah, blah. That's what me say, Rosalie probably hurt your feelings when she said you are not real. I don't know. But I think I deserve an explanation about why you are doing this. Don't forget you told me you were in witness protection and more than likely your identity has changed, like your name. Peter Gay, your voice cannot hide. And I know that's why you keep jumping off the calls whenever Sassy adds me. Me turn to her and say, I believe you were great by Jabas. I don't doubt your story, but I just want to know, how did we get here and how did you become involved in this drama with Jakes and Rosalie? Me call her, no answer. Me turn to her, you see me say, you blocked me on your other account. I know it's you and I'm just hoping you have a good explanation. Several persons from TikTok heard your voice and confirms that is you. Because me go into the group and me play the message for them. At the voice note. You even told Sassy you met Peter Gay. Maybe you're the one in my inbox feeding me information about Rosalie also. Me say that to her. If Jakes is innocent, this is what me say. Me say, if Jakes is innocent in all of this, he and his children don't deserve this because he's trying to provide a home for them. You block me, but the internet shall surely hear. That's what me said to her. Me call her back. No answer. She no answer. See there? Voice call. No answer. See there? All this morning me try the number again. So, see there? I have nothing to hide. From the moment me find out when me realize that she blocked me, Thursday morning, guys, me go over this account here and start text on this account. When me realize that she blocked me. Because from the moment, guys, from the moment me hear her voice, me know she. Me not stupid, me know she. From the moment me hear her voice, which was Wednesday, for the first time me hear her voice. This account are ringing up. Me can't call it now. Make you not hear. This account are ring now. See, they come me call it this morning and it ring. See that say calling, but earlier when me call it, it ring. Earlier when I call it, it was saying ringing. Me go text you and see if it block. Because earlier when me call it, it say ringing. See there? Look like she blocked me now. Cause see there, one tick. One tick. Somebody call the number and see if you don't get it. Look. Somebody call the number, see number there. Somebody call the number and see if you don't get it. One second, guys. 1 second. Somebody go call the number and see if you don't get it. See the number there. Anybody call the number? See the number here. See the number there. You did not answer it. Does it say ringing or calling? Does it say ringing or calling? All right. You see, if we end all of this, guys, I am taking all of this to the police at Jamaica. This not go down because nobody not implicate me na nothing. The police is going to get involved. This is it now. The police are get involved in this. No, me serious. Nobody not implicate me na nothing. The police are get involved now. The police are gonna get involved now. No, the police, everybody get involved now. Cause nobody not implicate me in no shit. You're crazy. The police are get involved now. So everybody who has scam and I do every shit, the police are gonna get involved now. Let me go back from the first time she contact me. The police are get involved now. Me at the police I get involved now. Me go through me message them and me are showing her everything. Cause nobody now get me involved in nothing. The police are get involved now. That is it. Crazy. No one can talk about this and that. The police are fucking get involved now. Me not play them game here. The fucking police are get involved now. So everybody gonna know how everybody fucking meet. The police are get involved. So everybody, I go find out how everybody meet. Cause me not play them game here. The police are get involved now. Alright. See, the first time she reached out to me, Monday, May 26th. The fucking police are getting involved now.
Hey, yeah. Jabas reach out to guests with a disturbing message and attempts if the company life can clear up themselves, this and that and turn us it what so. Oh God, me don't know.
Tell me if you don't have time. We can go through every fucking thing we have with her. Yeah, Fear, see their name. This is the first time I ever talked to her. See it there. For the first time, we can go through all of me message them with her. We're going to sit and go through the message them. Hold on the chat. We're going to go through everything. We're going to read everything.
It's going to be rocky. And you're going to have a lot of nightmares. And you're going to live the trauma over and over and over.
Now tell me if you don't have time today. Because the police are get involved. The police is going to get involved in this. This now goes so. Alright, let me show you the one from Sassy. I'm going to correspond with the time. Because after me realize here she, I'm going to show you when I ask Sassy if you send me a message with her, send me one message with her. If she had a voice note with her. You don't remember Wednesday, right? You don't remember Wednesday, right? Okay, let's go back to Wednesday. The police are getting involved. The fucking police are getting involved. Me a report your ass. The Cadian Fear Club, we're going to know if you're a lawyer. The police are getting involved. So everybody are go down. You're crazy. You think you not implicate me in no shit? Police are getting involved in this shit too. And that me say, and everything I go, every fucking thing. From start to finish. Me not play that. everybody I get involved. To come off a TikTok. Hold on, chat. Me I try get the one me I try showing you. Alright. No see Wednesday? See them, me ask Sassy if he send me one. You see the call with the pan? Me ask Sassy if he send me one voice note. When me realize say me ask Sassy, see time when the voice note send 5:05 p.m. You see that? Because at that time I ask Sassy if he send me something. And Sassy go search and find this. Sassy go search. Remember I know this is Wednesday. See that I say Wednesday on the top. You know see it I say Wednesday, right? You know see it I say Wednesday? Okay. Me ask Sassy if he go search and find it. And she send me it. See it I say Wednesday on the top. Sassy send me that.
Hey, Marnie again. I don't think he's a police officer because if he's a police officer and he's from the area, as he said, you would be asking for his current name. People can come on the internet and say they're anything at any given point in time.
Okay. Me tell Sassy if you call her. And me say, did you hear from her? Cause me I tell Sassy, say, call her. Me I tell Sassy, say, call her. Cause after she jump off her car, me I tell Sassy, say, call her. Hold on. The police are get involved. Me not play with, no, I not playing. Of course I see him person blessing, me not stupid. I see him fucking person, me not stupid. I the same person, me not stupid. The police are getting involved in this shit. Alright, see when she go see Soka here, she did have with on video call. See when she go see Soka, Thursday, June 5th. You know see that? See her name up at the top. See her she. See her name at the top, Peter Gay. See when she go see Soka there. The whole everybody there on video call. Me, she, Sky, and mother. You know see that? She go in at the building and she talk to them and she tell them say she here for her 2 o'clock appointment. See it there when she go up at Soka. You see that? She said she go up there and she go in at the building and she said, I am here for my 2 o'clock appointment. Or whatever. She see it there? See it there. We did it on a group call and me take a screenshot. See it there? See the group call? You not see the group call? 3:03. It was 2 o'clock at Jamaica. 3:03. 2 o'clock at Jamaica. You not get it? 2:03 in America. 3 o'clock at Jamaica. See me text her back 5:23 and me say you're done. You see? Me say you're done. See the group call there, the video group call, you know see it? 2:16. You know see the video group call? 2:16. See the video group call there. 3 invited. No, fucking play with me over this blood clot. No play with no mother over this shit. No, play with me over this Ross. Play with no mother. Look on the group call. Who they on the group call? You know see everybody they on the group call? You know see everybody where they on the group call. And who started the group call? She started the group call. You know not play with me over this shit. You know see who start the group call? You know see who start the group call? Okay. Now play with me. Play with no fucking mad over this shit. My mother paid too much money for my education for me take me to a fool. You think say me not have my fucking receipt? every fucking receipt me have over this blood clean. Now move from here, sir. Hold on. We are going to everyone our message number. I want to show you something definitively. I want to show you something, but we are going to everything. All right. See, when she said we are backyard, me not care if not see nothing. See, when she said we are backyard, see, and she said her name. See the backyard, and she said her name. You not see the backyard, guys? You not see the backyard? When she send her backyard and she send her name. Look on the time. 2:19 in the morning. You see it? Let me show you the date. Wednesday, May 28th. You see it? She sent her bank card and she sent her name. You see it? 2:19. You see one group call? Look at the 5 people where they on the group call. Sky, Mother, Rosalie. Me mama bumba cloud chat. Look here. Chat. Look who did they panic. Look on the number. Look on the number, chat. The same number. Where Sassy I use now. Me mama bumbo. Chat, look on the same number. Did they pan the group call the night? Chat, look on the same number. Look at the same fucking number where Sassy them have now. See the chat? See? God now fucking sleep. See the same number there. They pan the group call the night. And where the cocker hold this chat? See the CM327 number that they pan the group call the night. Chat, the CM group, see there? You know, some see the group call, right? Me go show you the fucking time the group call make. You remember the group call where we tell us we dey pan for 5 hours? You don't remember the group call where we say we dey pan for 5 hours? Who remember that? When we say the night when we say we have to move her. See the same fucking number ya chat. Chat. See the same fucking number ya dey pan the group call. Chat. See the same fucking number that we Sassy them have pan the group call. I will not tell me say the Peter get that raw. See the chat. The group call make Wednesday, May 28th. 2:36 a.m. in the morning. See it there. See the same number they pan the group call. The same fucking number they pan the group call. Chat, una go over Sky Diamond and tell her to pull up for her message them. And look for the number in her. Tell her to go to Wednesday, May 28th, 2:36 in the morning. And look for the number there. Now go over there and tell her to look for the fucking number. In a fear thing, she go see it too. Block the person, the Apple user there. Block the Apple user. She listening? Okay, tell her to look and see. The 327-1918 was on the group call. Now go over there, go tell her if you go look. Now go over there, go tell her if you look. Sassy was not in no picture at that time. And Peter gave it the panic call. See the same number there. See the same number that they on the group call chat. Me telling her say no can't fuck with me on this shit. Cause my mother no raised no fucking idiot. Me no get 9 fucking CXC for nothing. And 5 fucking A level for nothing. And a fucking whole fucking degree for nothing. The fuck you take this thing for? The fuck you take this thing for? Where the fuck you get this thing for? Me no get 9 fucking CXC for no reason. You think I'm fooling at you with over this shit? See the same fucking number that they on the group call. See it there. A Peter gay fucking number. See the number join the group call there. See the same fucking number there. And she see the same fucking number there. Block your mama claw, terrible. Go suck your mother. A people business me want in now. And she and mother come tell me say Peter gay that. No move from yourself. If you want defend Peter gay, defend Peter gay. See the same fucking number they on the group call. And a 5 and a me, Peter gay, Rosalie. We don't know who the number belong to. Me, Peter gay, Sky, Rosalie, mother. Somebody block Simply J. I'm gonna wait fuck you over here. Somebody block Simply J. That was the night when we on the phone with her for how much hours? Because she have to move. Where is the Paula? Whoever the number that they belong to, I don't know. But the number was on the call the night. Peter Gay was the one who initiate the call, and as she invite the people them to the call. See there? This is when Sky go send her the money, and she send me the bank card and me forward it to Sky. Well, the police are get involved now. The fucking police are get involved. So we are gonna know who. See the same number, they on the group call again. The first group call we make 11 something in the night. You see it? 12 something a.m. 11:45. Look chat. 11:45 p.m. That's the same night. Look at the date. Tuesday, May 27, 11:45. The same group call. See it there? The same number they on the fucking group call again. You don't see that? See the same number there again, chat. See the same number again, they on the same group call, chat. See the same number there, They on the same group call again. I see say joined. You know, see say join. So the person they panic call. You know, realize say join. Hold on, Millie. May I put it back up? Me find it. See it said joined. You know, see the same number there. See there? See the same number there. And I realize they said join. So the person on the call. So it's either it'll come from Rose, it'll come from Rose, or it'll come from Peter Gay. It'll come from somebody, it'll come from the whole of them. And his truth is just the fucking truth. Somebody block First Lady White Davy or whatever. Somebody block that fucking person there. Somebody block that fucking person out of me chat. Okay, chat. Me tell us say God never leave me without a witness. Me say this morning me wake up, you know, and somebody shared that life to me. And me say, listen. Tracy come in my box now, you busy? Somebody shared the life to me. I think I see him Tracy share. Tracy, are you share the life to me, Tracy? I don't remember if I Tracy, but somebody share it to me. Me don't remember you, Tracy. I don't remember if I Tracy. But Tracy will tell me if I she. But somebody share the life to me.
Yeah, me this share too.
Okay, yes. And I saw me end up. Because me still not the bed laid on and everything. Lexi come up for that number. Here there. Somebody said them put in the number and Lexi come up for the number. Here there. Chat. Everything I go to the police. I'm not playing. Everything I go to the police. Everything I go to the police. Because nobody not implicate me in nothing. Let me just eat my eyes, chat, and we'll go through the whole of the message them where Peter Gay ever send me in a life, and we're gonna go through everything.
Cha-cha.
We are go through every fucking thing, and nobody not implicate me. You're crazy? Me don't know nothing. For me hear the woman name the other day, me say, no, something not right. We're gonna mock out with this shit. Don't implicate me. You're crazy. I know nothing about this. Nobody not implicate me. I know nothing. When me finally said the girl, me said to Paula, say Paula, a Peter Gay that. I me never hold back.
Lawyer, I hear the name
And
Lexi.
Sue and Dan over there
Hear the
talk
name
about no on a Peter Gay. But all of them over there say on a Peter Gay. They might have the same vibes, but it's not Peter Gay.
Well,
Lawyer, you know, hear
actually,
the name Lexi before from Peter Gay.
me don't know if me not remember. Me not remember. Probably I do, probably, but me not remember. Me not gonna tell us say me hear it, but we are gonna find out.
You know, when you guys was on the call, did you guys know that that person joined it?
We not even know if we didn't know say that person there join here or not, because me tell us say, is it because at 2 o'clock in the morning everybody in them bed? You know, you not pay attention because when they on the call, me all fall asleep on the call.
Them
And
say let
wake
them
up.
see back the number. Nikki say make she see back the number. She will run it.
Hold on, Nikki. Nikki, 327-1918. No, the police are getting involved. The police is getting involved. I am not playing. Me not playing. Nobody not go implicate me in nothing.
I don't understand all people. As soon as me hear the voice note, me can me say a Peter Gay that. That is Peter Gay. Oh, somebody fit not like yeah. Oh, somebody
That's
fit
why
not
she don't
say
come
that
out
is
here.
Peter
Everybody
Gay.
else
You
is she to come out
understand?
and clear her name and
You
wonder what
can't
she don't
hear
come
the
out
Saint
here.
Elizabeth accent. Peter Gay chat bad all that
Yeah.
formal writing when she write. That is definitely chat GP. Chat thingy. That is them. Peter Gay don't know for orchestrate a statement that straight and formal. So she have to use help.
Roll
that
up, Nikki.
voice
Me
note
just
is
comment. Me
definitely
just comment
Peter
the
Gay.
number 327-1918.
Lawyer, don't make
Yeah.
nobody implicate you and put you in a
You're
middle of
crazy.
nothing,
No more.
girl.
Come here, go with
Speak up
this.
for yourself and stand your ground and stand for fucking business.
Right?
Exactly.
It
True,
has to
true.
be
Me not
coming from
play.
somewhere.
Me not
It
play.
Yeah.
has
You
to
go
be
find out where
coming
it
from
come from.
somewhere.
So unless somebody I work with her from the beginning, because that number I joined the group from when you guys just started.
Yes, from the beginning.
Get
Yes.
through
The
enough
number
for the
Okay,
is
active
from the
from the
blood
beginning.
clot.
beginning.
It just come out and come back off.
No, I wonder why Rosalie and Jabba step on the same screen. Now you wonder why she say, suppose she and Jakes really plan it for true. It has to be coming from somewhere, and we are too naive about things. We should open our
All
eyes to
right.
little things
See
and
Saturday.
realize
Hold
sense
on,
from
the guys.
nonsense.
See Saturday, May 31st. Look on the date. Now look on the date. Saturday, May 31st. She sent me her birth certificate. See there.
Bumbo clot.
She sent me and she said the birth certificate. She sent me that first, right? And she said, just put out that. You see? And she sent it to me 5:55. You see? Okay. So when everybody go talk about me put out, she send if you put out, because the people them say she not real. The people them I say she not real. But the person have a bank account, so it's like
Yeah, me remember when Sky sent the money to her, she received the money.
K
She
send money
received
to
the
her
money.
too. K send money to her too several times and she receive it.
So she real. This is weird. This is very weird. Extremely weird.
Fucking weird. Big bumbo clot scam about weird. Them too fucking disgusting. And you see them fuckery because of people with them on the fucking app who really need bumbo clot helping her because of people like them who can't get the pussy clot help. Yo, this shit is disgusting, bro. People too fucking wicked. You know how hard people are work for them bumbo clot money and on the dep on the bumbo clot app and scam out people. Eh?
And the fact say something happened. You know what me can't get over as well? Something happened. And you need a lawyer. Okay, then you contact your lawyer. How comes your lawyer so personal? Who lives with the lawyer? How comes the lawyer? But me not understand. That is a bit too personal for your lawyer and then client. So tight. Then it's just so happened that the so-called lawyer, they pan the live in a group call. We don't know from when up in a January. This so.
No
Because we
more
have to
from
see
me.
the lawyer, you know.
From me. I mean
From
everything
me.
start, yeah.
Fine and me. Yeah, because we have to see the lawyer join the live. Join the group call.
This is crazy.
That's weird.
This is
Very weird.
crazy. My dear.
Very
I'll
weird.
find them blood clot. I beat them. Hey, I couldn't be put $1 in that for go look for them. I beat them blood clot for $1.
When I trust me talk and just Rosalie and Jakes know about it. Cause from the beginning, the liar they dip on the screen every minute I join the call from Peter Gate days, them know about it. Why the liar they see you so often? And Jakes are the criminal.
First of all, them should assist us some kind of scamming because which liar DM people? What kind of liar DM people in a them
Why the liar
DM?
got the babysitter yard for know say brief tear up, to send sassy and all of them something there. Something not right. Liar, your source I see you have to really investigate the liar then.
Me I tell her say, boom blast, me I tell her say,
But
me
no
not even
police investigate it.
a police are in, I know are the police are
Yeah,
gonna deal with
man.
this.
Put
Me
it to the
done with this.
police
Are the
because something
police
right
are
to
gonna do with
true.
this. No, me I carry this guy mocha.
Yeah.
And police
That's
are
a
deal
big
with this at
scam.
this point. No, me done. Are the police are deal with
The
this at
liar
this
too.
point.
The liar to invest in a Rose Pitney them life, in a Jake's life, don't I see you? No man,
Yes.
something about the liar then alright.
When
Yes,
you
something
talk
is
to
Something about the
lawyer,
liar
cooking.
then
Peter
alright.
Gay
Yes.
voice here. When you talk to a liar, Peter Gay, we are talk to.
Yeah, I mean no.
That's so weird.
From me, what her name? Sassy said that the lady DMR. Chef said the lady DMR. What liar I don't know how DM people and on TikTok on top of that. What kind of liar do them something there?
But you know, may I say as well, lawyer, remember this whole drama with Jabas and the whole situation.
Jake's there upon him live.
What's her name? What the English girl name again?
Chef.
Chef never involved in all of that.
No.
Yeah, she never involved. You can't tell she never involved.
Couple conversations Chef have and things that she hear around the lawyer. She know there was something wrong. There's something not right with the lawyer.
Don't get me wrong, you know. Let me tell you something about Chef. I may say that to Sassy too. Me say Chef is probably rob Jake some of the money, but the things that was Chef highlight to Jake's, she's making sense.
Yes.
Based on the conversation, I said that. Me say, yeah, probably she take some of Jake's money and cut in a half, but some of the concerns where she highlight with Jake, she makes sense.
Yeah.
That's what I said to Sassy. Me say, Sassy, from me hear the Sassy and I talk, me say, Sassy, because me not against Chef, you know. Chef did just too rude. She just get too entitled. Me just leave her, me just put her aside, because me not play a picnic game. When I get too entitled, me put you aside, because I'm grown. Me not have time for picnic game.
Right.
But so, one time she had talked to Sassy, and me I get the voice recording, then me say, Sassy, me no know, my gut tell me say she takes some of Jake's money. That is just my gut. But apart from that, the concerns where she are raised and certain things where she has said to Jake,
valid.
they're valid. They make sense.
Makes sense. But me I say no.
Me say if she really raised them concern that to Jake, probably she had do it out of jealousy, but it makes sense. That is what I said.
Yeah.
But you have people now who communicate with Peter Gay on a personal, you know what I mean, from private call, and they're saying that's not Peter Gay.
Listen, but
remember,
blessing.
Not one time.
Let me tell you something. Blessing, let me tell you something. I know what I heard, and nobody can tell me what me heard. Me can't tell them what them hear. But me know what me hear. You get what me I say? I'm right at this point. Me not care what nobody wants to say what them not say.
Thank you, Jazz.
Me know what me hear. And everybody when me play for, my mother was in my house when this Peter Gay story are going. After me play for my mother say Peter Gay that. Because my mother hear me on her on the phone several. My mother all talk to her on the phone.
But at one time you play it and you all chat. You say, guys,
the whole chat knows she.
And the whole chat said that's Peter Gay.
Me know what me hear, the chat know me. Before I came over here, me play for, me can't call out everybody name what me play for. Me play for Baddest One, me play for Toxic, me play for Tisha, me play for everybody. Me play for about 12 people. And all of them see a she, even before I finish play. Me play for Tracy, me play for everybody, and all of them see a she. Before I finish play. But me not right at this point, no blessing. This I go over to the police. TikTok, we not gonna solve this. The police are gonna solve this shit. See, I'm like, oh, CDA come over TikTok, Mocha, I go come over here, and Sisoka, I go come over here. No, because everything I go reveal itself.
And the thing is, people not understand, say, you spoke to her once Sassy added to the call and she realized it was you.
She jumped off.
You message her privately.
I message her privately directly after.
So she never know what you message her about. You know, it could have something to do with anything at all.
Alright. You see the other day.
Never know what you message her about.
You see the other day when somebody said Rosie that try to get one picture of me.
Yeah.
Rose was trying to get a picture of me from her. I called her and she confirmed it. She said yes. Rosie tell her
from last month, liar.
Huh?
Them say Mocha there from last month.
Okay, so we got them all keep. I called her the same day. Linus called Kaylee for me. Cause she didn't.
She replied.
She replied. She called me back and me talk to her. Call Kaylee for me and tell her to send me because me never realized she have the messages in Pam disappearing. But me did already screenshot it and send it to Kay. I called her. And I said to her, somebody tell me in my inbox say Rose had asked you to get a picture of me. Let me tell you exactly what the person say. The person say, Rose, did I try get one picture from you because of somebody where you and Rose did I try help somebody and Rose call the person and I try get one picture of you, but me don't remember the person name. But the person have to do it one Jabba story.
Yes.
Same time I call her. Because from here, Jabba me know say Peter gay. Same time I called her and I said, did Rose ever try no, me text her, no lie, me never call her. Me said but me have to get the message from Kay first. Let me tell you exactly what happened. Cause me no want to tell no lie. Let me get it. Let me get the message from Kay first. Cause that message end up deleting. But let me get the message from Kay first. Okay there. Cause she end up the message disappear. But guess what happened? Me the screenshot it to Kay already. Send me the message when me send where Peter when me send to Peter Gay ask about the picture and whatever. Send me the message. Alright.
It's amazing the things that when people just make fly over their head. Me have to dig deep in everything, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You tell me something last week or this week, me just process it, you know.
Me the process is along, me process it right away.
No, me process things. People not tell me things and me just run with it like that.
Me I process it and me I tell say me I listen. And me I listen and me say one time she said me call her and she answered. That was the last time me talked to her on a phone. And me try to remember the day exactly, but me can't as since. Well, Kay, the message will come. Kay go send me the screenshot. See it here. Kay, which day me send that message here? Me ask her which day me send her this screenshot. So me can't tell you which day exactly.
When you say Rose one PR 500 US to get your picture.
Mm-hmm. All right, see it here.
That's the next thing. Why?
See it here. See it here. See it here. Me turn to her. Me say, did Rosalie ever ask you to video call me and take a picture of me? She called me, but me did it on the live. It called back. She say, hi, honey, when? Lawyer, she had text me, but me did it online. All me heart a beat fast. What's happening? Talk to me. Me call her. See there? Me call her. We talk for 3 minutes. Me call her. She confirmed me. She said, I'm sorry I didn't tell you honestly. Just never wanted you to get caught up in anything that was happening with you ladies. But you know I love you all and appreciate everything that you ladies did for me. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
I call her and then she texts back an apology. She said, I'm sorry I didn't tell you. Because she said, yes, Rose asked her, but she tell Rose that she not do it. And Rose cuss her and say, go suck your mother, blah, blah, blah. The man should have grape you off, whatever. She said Rose cuss her out and block her. That is what happened. See there? Because I screenshot it and send it to Kay. Because if you're looking at my message, it disappear. Me didn't realize. But a good thing say me screenshot it and send it to Kay. The same time.
So it's obvious that she's working with somebody from the get-go.
Mm-hmm.
She's working with that person with the last number from the get-go.
Yeah, them know each other. They treat
them know each other.
And then we not even realize that it's the 327 number they panic call them. We never even realize.
Good thing. We are go back a while ago, you know.
Yes, because last night I make my bed and I say God, me let them before me come in bed, me say, God, this is too much. And whatever you need to reveal to me, reveal it. Because God, you see, I know, say, I don't know what is going on. I am just as confused as everybody. Me, I try to make sense of it too. I may go on my bed. Because all them are talk about Jabas and me not have no ill intentions towards nobody. This lady come with her store. She come with it. And Rose confirmed the night panic call. Rose confirmed, say she reached out to her a year prior. So me tell her, say this I go back to it's still a lead back to Rose and them.
And the thing is, you know, Peter Gay, the voice clips them where you get from Sassy, that's Jake's lawyer and Jake's lawyer Peter Gay voice we're here.
Okay. I fear her voice. I'm gonna go through the whole messages with her.
So I hope everybody will listen. Because if well, me can't even touch the Jabba's case because we don't know what going right there so with them. But from the get-go, there's somebody in the background from the get-go. Is she coming after Rose and JX and I get close to them? We don't know.
We don't know. And that's why me say me even say me
All of them are work together. We don't know.
It can be anything at this point.
Is one of the person out of the latter you she work with? We don't know.
Me tell us anything. I don't
everybody
know.
Everybody come now and make themselves clear. Say, listen, we don't know this person. We have the A2, whatever. The number we just show a while ago. We don't know who joined the group. Because if you're up in a group chat, it'll tell us 5 people up in a group chat, you know. So if 5 people in a group chat and everybody comfortable talking, that means you don't know all 5 persons on the group chat.
But the group chat start from 11 o'clock in night and then it go over to, like, you know, when you just later and you listen and you talk, but you not even pay attention.
But me ear said, Sky get up this morning and I play a record and I say a Peter gave voice. Me say Sky get up this morning and
Sky have to know Peter gave.
From the get-go.
Sky go on screen recording. She go on screen recording and she'll listen to the voice note them and she'll say, yeah, a Peter gave voice is she.
Because Sky, everybody talk to her. Everybody talk to her. The only person that say no she and me say no she.
Yeah.
The only person that say no she and me say no she. That is Peter Gay. That is Peter Gay.
And when she jump out, when Lawyer joined the call with Sassy, you know, guys, she hear, you know, so she avoid talking to Lawyer.
Because Sassy said she had tried to get her to talk to me.
Because if she talk to Lawyer go recognize her voice from the get-go. So that's why she avoid talking to Lawyer. So Sassy add Lawyer to the call without letting her know. When she realized and Lawyer said something, she jump. And Carly said she jumped from the call, she block her and block Macy straight away. So nobody never did that pressure her to come over here and prove nothing. Because at that point, Peter Gay did not know what Lawyer wanted to talk to her about.
Because I never mentioned it after she started ignoring.
So Lawyer never come to the internet with it yet. You know, Lawyer sit down there patiently await on her.
The only person know about it. Because when I tell me even mad say Sassy go say something to Chef because me I try to get her to say something first. To see if she go come and say something.
And she not even did have to come on the internet go say nothing neither, you know. She could have call back Lawyer say Peter Gay what go on right there so. Explain herself privately. She never did have to come on the internet because we on the internet never know what go on yet. What a planka, me dear. Well, you have to separate yourself from this drama, you know, because you don't know what's happening, you don't know what these people doing, you don't know how big it can get and how it can affect you. So you have to do what you have to do. Because this look like some form of scamming to me.
Chev, yes, the other number end with 0719. Yes, Chev. Chev, the other number end with 0719. The number we have originally for her end in a 07. Me not care, me I put out the damn number. Madam, me soon come back and talk to you. Because Mrs. Chev write something, me I put out the number. I don't give a fuck at this point. The number end in a, the original number, ask Sky. Sky have the same number. The other number is 8290719. Sky have the same number, so go ask Sky. Chev, you can come in the box. If you have something to say, you can come in the box. At this point, I don't care. Because Mocha get involved in this. 0719. That's the original number I have for her.
Lawyer.
Somebody put up Chev. You know, put up Chev if she send one request. That's the original number I have for her. 8290719.
Hi.
Go ahead, Sheba. Here, go ahead.
So on Saturday, when he went to go and pick up his bag from the apartment, he couldn't get a hold of her. He said that he couldn't get a hold of her. So I said, well, I've just sent her a message and it's double ticked. He's saying that the message he sent is 1 tick. So I said, well, the message I'm sending is 2 ticks. What is the number? What is the number that you have? Because obviously it must be 2 different numbers. He gave me that number. That's why I have it. The 07 number, the 32.
829, right?
Yeah, that number.
Okay, that's her number. That's
Right.
Peter Gay number.
And then I gave him the number that I had for her that she messaged me and
which
gave to me.
which number that was what she gave you? She messaged you.
The 3271918. And I gave it to him and it was connected to a rental car company.
Okay, yes. That's why when you put in it come up. Yes, that's the
Right.
Guys, see there. See the number there, chef. Me not see there. See our contact there. See
There
the
you
number
go.
there.
Yeah.
Me not hide nothing. See the number there. I'm not hiding nothing. That's the number. And if you ask Sky, that's the number Sky have for her too. Go ask Sky.
Yeah.
Me not, because when I heard it, Tracy, when me hear it, me say, no, it'll come to the internet. I don't care. Because me not gonna try to hide nothing because I don't have nothing to hide. You understand what I'm saying, Tracy?
Yeah.
Me say me never do nothing with no malintent. These people came and they said whatever them say. Rose confirmed, say yes, and they confirm. Rose said she all call Andre Stevenson about the Jabba situation. And Andre Stevenson run her for the phone and tell her, say, you know, say Jabba's a great piece and you did up in a box with Jabba's. That's what Rose said. Jabba said to Andre Stevenson tell her and run her off of the phone. So me not hide nothing. Me not hide nothing. So when me realize she yesterday, Tracy, me say my people them did invested in this Peter Gay story. Well, right now we have got to figure out if we need to get scam or what.
Mm-hmm.
So I said I bring it back to them. Me ask them if me not tell them from Thursday night, say, me I come with something to tell them. Ask them if me not tell them.
TikTok reel.
Ask them over here if me not come from Thursday and say me have something to tell you know, guys. Yeah. And I want it will be one tsunami on TikTok, but we have to just go through it. And me apartheid too. I told them that.
No say uno come and put in $1. If me they put in $1, more they on the first flight out right now for go beat him back.
So the chef come and confirm see a fear number. So me gonna tell me say a Peter Gay. The chef confirm and a GX get the number, right, chef?
He gave me the
chef
number.
Show the number with Jake. Show when Jake's get the number.
No, he gave it to. We were on the phone. We were literally on the phone.
And show me the time when you call and everything. Show me the time when you message the number and everything. Come, right, chef, show. Chef, show because they love to see a live people I tell. Show when you message the person or whenever you call the person. Show it. Because they love to see a live people
Sassy, you never have nothing to do with it.
No, so me not nothing to do with it. Me say I was just in the middle. I was.
So 1 minute you say you see our body, and next minute you say you only see half our face. So doesn't know
see
you
her
know.
body, girl. Me not see her body. When she called from the hardware, she will show half her face.
Say they know she look, and then the next minute you say you know, or just half our face. You see.
Listen, lady, not contradict me. Here, this is what
I didn't contradict you. That is what you said over and down.
All right. Listen me now. Listen me clearly now. What I saw this girl when she was in the hardware, she hold the phone, me see part her, like you know, the face part in her too. Me see part her face and me see her hand, which part she hold up the phone, and then she move the camera and turn it to the hardware lady. Me never see her again from that. But what I wanna say is that me tell Lawyer Thursday, remember Lawyer when me call her back and she say, I gotta call you back because there's a lot I want to say to you and a lot I want to explain, a lot of things I want to say, but I just want my house to be empty. I don't want, and I say your house is empty now. She said, no, there's people around, but I have to talk to you. Honestly, I have to talk to you. Remember me tell you in a lie, so she said, look like
she didn't want finally come out then.
Listen, Sassy, from she tell Sassy that Sassy I try call her back, I'll know the woman.
Can't get her.
So me now, Tracy, I am not waiting. Me, I can clear myself.
Right.
I am clearing myself. Because from she says Sassy on to her, every minute she will call back Sassy, I'll know she can't call back. Because Sassy, a long time me tell Sassy, say, even before
because he's not going to come over here.
Even before me talk to the so-called Peter Gay person, on Sassy phone or the GX lawyer, me tell Sassy say something is not right about this.
Yeah, true.
Me keep telling her, I said me no, because when Sassy come back and say she want $100,000 to represent GX, me say Sassy, she not get $1 more until she
to
served
say,
Rosalie with the
the
order of
60,000 when
protection.
collect
I'm calling from
liar, look
independent.
here.
Yeah,
Well on the
about
sister, well on the sister. The 60,000 when she said she do so with that mean a lie Mattel.
Of course, appear lie, and GX involved too. That's what I said. GX involved too, and I said to Sassy, Mr. Sassy, me not ask for $1 more per TikTok until me hear say Rose get served with summons and this that. Me say me not ask for $1. I am not.
Because she come and she want 185,000, 160 to do that, and 25,000 go to her for buy back gas and whatever.
So this is
Hold on,
the
show the date. See there.
this is
Show the
Saturday
date.
when me and him were on the phone, and he said to me the number that he has is it ends in
Turn off the
0719.
comments,
Check it.
Linus.
Is
Let me
this
see
the
what can
same
see.
number that I have? And I said, no, babes. The number that I've got ends in 1918. So he told me to send the number because he needed to go get his bag out of the place. So I sent a message when you see where it says, hey, and she called me. That was 4:00 my time. She called me at 8, and then that was the message that she sent me. But the hey was that I sent was the
That was the day after Jake so-called get locked up, the 10th. This is the Saturday, the Friday. The Friday when Jake get locked up, so-called locked up. See there, because the next day was Saturday,
No,
October.
this isn't when he got locked up. No, this was last week, Saturday, just gone. He went, so he only spent one day at that apartment.
Yeah.
Saturday just gone, he went to go get his bags. He's not been back to the apartment since he went for the facial.
Oh, okay.
You
Turn
understand?
on the comments, guys.
So this was me sending the message because he's saying all in now he can't get a hold of her. He wants to go get his things out of the place. So I said, all right, let me see if I can get a hold of her. So I wrote hey, and it was 2 ticks. And I said, babes, but I got 2 ticks. And so where number it is where you have? And I said 1918. He said, where the number where me have ending 0719. That's why I can tell you because I have a very good memory. You understand? Mm-hmm. She tried to call me. I didn't answer because I no longer needed to talk to her because he had got his things out of the place. You get it?
Yeah, 0719. That's her. I said that's her number. That's her number. It ending as 8290719.
Fully, man.
Mm-hmm. Because Sassy, I think Sassy asked him for the number where you have, and he said nah, tell Sassy.
He's not giving it to her.
Yes.
Yes, he said that to me.
Okay.
Yeah, true.
But he gave it to me.
Them I say them
And
can't.
and Peter gave I hear me about him. Chev, when you ask him how we meet the lawyer, what did he say?
He told me somebody came into his inbox and messaged him saying that she wanted to represent him with the kids' case. With the case of the kids. Then a next story that I heard, I think this is Sassy said to me that Sassy, what was it that you said? He told you a complete different story, but he told me that he met her on TikTok.
He said somebody introduced him, and then he said, it's the principal of the primary school. Mother works for Peter.
Right. And then later on now, when I'm saying to him, how can you just meet this lawyer on TikTok and someone's come to you and you just met them on TikTok and this don't make no sense. A lot of things wasn't making sense. Him said, you have to understand, no, this is somebody that Rose did have it. And I said it to Sassy. As it lied, I'm telling. He said that this is somebody that Rose had in her back pocket.
Right.
So him know the liar. And
So what
obviously
was the name? What was the name he gave her? What was the
Cadian.
name?
Cadian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Him just come on the app and scam out the people them already. Him did I get it naturally, you know?
Me have been coming like he that to it too. Maybe
Him
when
did I
he
get it naturally.
Sassy,
No,
stop.
man, do this
Sassy,
Listen,
for-
Sassy, let me tell you something.
Sassy, stop.
Sassy,
You
let me
like
tell
to
you
come to
something.
GX too much. Stop. We don't know nothing at this point. We don't know
look at the
nothing.
right person. Shall I try to pick up to come see every blood clot thing.
Let me tell you
Sassy,
something.
stop.
Oh,
Let me tell you something. In regards to, like I said, I've had many phone calls with Jakes, and if he's on his phone and I'm always on the other phone. Yeah, and I've heard too many conversations happen to know that Jakes definitely know what's going on. And I'm not talking in pertaining to this, but you know when people are running their head and using their head on people, especially when money's involved. I've heard too many conversations where Jakes has had, yeah, and he's running his head, telling people say something costs so much when he knows that so much it costs. Jakes knows exactly what's going on. I know with me though, Chevy.
And
I
I can say this, I can even put it out there. There was somebody that contacted him, yeah, saying for him to do a promotion on a music. And he told the person that put him on, yeah, that asked him to do the music promotion, the person only had 5 bills to give him. And they said, yeah, the price that he told the person to say was 8 bills, but to put food on it. So they asked the man for $1,000. The man said, "I have no grand for do no music promotion." Listen, Jakes knows exactly what's going on.
The hustle, them a hustle.
Yeah, they're hustling. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Why would somebody come in your DMs to tell you that they work at a hardware store? They're a manager at a hardware store.
All right, with that story there.
Come on now.
The way you taught that story. Me tell us, Chef, I was on my live, right? Me tell you, Jake's a liar. In coming up, me people them can tell you, Jake's coming on my box and say, "Lawyer, me there the hardware." And me just talk to the manager and him give me set up one account and him give me number where you can call him. Same time me call the number. The person sound like me say is this budget or whatever. The person just sound like person just sound like professional or nothing. And me said, "Jakes, what number you give me?" Me call the number straight, you know. He said, "No man, call upon WhatsApp." Me call back on WhatsApp, the person not answer. The person is not answering. We start call budget. We call budget. Budget said they don't have no account from Mr. Beckford, no Jakes, nothing. Me said, "Then hold this." Me know say something wrong, you know, something to write, you know. But I was on my live. And I said, "Damn, me shouldn't even probably make a call upon the live." But the people that actually want to contribute, right? And the people even themselves start calling the hardware. But guess what happened? That day it was raining. So it's like you can't hear what the people must say at the hardware. Anyway, me say, you know what, guys, we have to leave it alone and try back later because we can't get through to the hardware and then the connection is bad. Anyway, me dey on my live again about 10 o'clock the night. We can probably pull it up if me can find it. Me get a missed call from one Jamaica number. Not the same number what Jakes give me now. It's a different number. Because me gonna show you the number what Jakes give me. We're gonna go through this hardware thing too. I'm gonna show you the number Jakes give me.
Sassy say you still not believe nothing.
We're gonna show you the number Jakes give me because Jakes coming at me inbox. Look.
But ask you that still, you know, Max, if it's still a root for him.
Yeah, hear me? That's my decision. You understand?
Look,
That's up to me.
look. See the number what Jakes give me? I say, wait, you see the number? You know, see the number, right? Monday happened. Maybe go back through my messages. You see Monday? You see the number, guys? Tell me if you don't see it, guys. See the number and give me.
Yeah.
We can see it.
Yes, okay. Me just want to make sure you don't see it. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my go to my regular phone because I first called the number regular.
Let me see. Let me see the number again.
Hold on.
Chevy, I just see a number for something else. Make sure you see the number again, liar.
Hold on. All right.
Let
Let's
me not laugh yet. Hold
Hold
on.
on.
I can't see.
Me go show you the
Sure
number.
about the number again there.
Hold on there.
I'm gonna screenshot it.
See the day, look on my phone. You see the day? Me I call budget. You see budget. You see? Budget supplies. You see? Look.
Yeah.
Hold on there. Me go show. Alright, see me can show you. Say last time I talked to Peter Gay. You see me miss one call from her and she called me back. You see that? Sunday. Me call to her. She called me. Me missed the call and she called me back and we talk. You know,
Sunday, what date? We have to say what date, you know, Lord. Then we're going to say a recent.
No, I
Sunday. It says Sunday.
Say Sunday. See that me call log me in a. Hold on there.
If it was like
for
last week, it would have had the date, not the day.
Hold on, guys. If you come back, me get violated for personal information. No come. No,
Yeah,
could jump
yeah,
and come
number is
back.
the
No come. No, could
Yeah,
jump and come
number
back.
is the number.